channel, and today we're down in Devon. I've got my good friend here, Skinny Brian, and we got the Sharky down here. Got a couple of engines actually. Got the Evinrude 4.5, which is, remember, I've worked on that over the last year or so, so this will be the first time we're getting that one out on the river. And we've also got the Mariner 3.3. So with that in mind, we're going to get on, launch this boat, get out on the water here. Absolutely fantastic day, and well, see what happens, Brian. Yeah?
Yep. What can possibly go wrong?
Everything. Right, we ready then, Brian? It's all down to you. If it all goes wrong, it's nothing to do with me. What's the water like? Cold? Oh, it's warm.
Cold.
It's cold. Oh, it is. A long way to go. Hey, she floats. Well, that's a good start. We haven't sunk yet.
And I remembered to hold the rope.
Yeah. Good man. Right, let's get this trailer in. Let's see if we can get this thing going. We've had it going in the workshop, haven't we, Brian? We've never actually had it going out here. It'd be quite interesting. It's quite a heavy outboard, a bit old and all that. It was actually a scrapper, but I'm fairly confident it'll do us proud. I just hope we don't rip this transom off.
It was doing well when you had it in the oil bin.
Yeah, that's it. It done all right there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Well, we can only just give it a go. Right, let's get that open. Should be a neutral. Let's give it a little bit of gas, get it going. Could take a few goes there. Oh, out.
Magic!
Keep going. Got a boy coming up.
Yep. Well, we've run into a bit of problem. That blasted outboard there let us down. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not working, and well, we're out in the middle of the river, so we're not going to panic. We've got our manual oars here, so we're going to work our way back to the bank and then swap the outboards over, and hopefully this time we'll have a little bit more luck. But don't panic, don't call out the emergency brigade just yet. We're not quite there. We're on our way to that sort of situation, but we're not quite there. We'll be all right. It's not raining yet. That's the main thing. Let you stay where you are. Nearly. Yes, it's started. It's going to keep going. Ah.
Ah, here we go. Here we go, here we go.
There we go.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
It's gone again.
that's a powerful engine, that.
Yeah, it's going quite well, wasn't it?
It runs, yeah.
That was getting us there.
There's a jellyfish.
Oh. Not a bad one.
No, not that big.
Seems to be coming fine now.
Yeah, I'm just playing with it, getting ourselves close so we can row back, but
Keep it going for a little while.
yeah,
Okay.
it's pokey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Brian. Nice one. It's blooming heavy, isn't it?
Fair weight, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a big engine. It's pretty big actually for that tender, I reckon. But hey, it did the job when it decided to work.
Yeah, when it decided to work, it did it.
So that was the Evinrude. Me and Brian got that out in the middle, didn't we there, Brian? And it just decided to, well, basically just stop for no apparent reason. I think what happened was I actually left the choke out too long. So popped that back in, gave it a few minutes, rode back most of the way, and then gave it another go, and it ran like a dream. Absolutely ran like a dream. It's actually a really, really good outboard. It's got quite some power, and actually for this little tiny boat that we got here, it's probably actually a bit too much power. But you know, not bad. Quite pleased with it. Would I take it out again? Probably would, actually. Now I know how to use it properly. So now we're getting the Mariner set up. There's another one that I haven't taken out on the water yet. Been in the workshop for quite a while, done quite a bit of work to it. But we'll get this one out now and see how this one performs. Right, well, I didn't have the camera rolling, and I went for a bit of a swim, but I'm sure you didn't really want to see that. So we're carrying quite a bit more weight. So here we go on the Mariner then. We'll give this a go. I say never actually had it running, so fingers crossed we get a bit more success than we did on the last outboard. So here we go. So open that there. Kill switch is here, that goes up on there. Oh yeah. Open the fuel valve helps. God dear, what a day.
Nearly.
Yeah. Go on.
Here we go.
There we are. It'll warm up a little bit.
It's starting a lot easier than the other one.
Yeah.
It's the old joke again.
We're not going to have a repeat performance.
No, I don't reckon. It's the flooding it, do you know what I mean? It's like once it's warmed up and running, they'll happen. Get some more choke. Right, you're right there, Brian.
Yep.
Right, we got the old Seagull now. This is the exciting one. If you want to pop that on the back there, Brian. Now, I've never run this one again. This is like the others. I've never actually run it on the water. Gonna have to be pretty careful with this one actually, because I need to make sure it's actually getting a decent water flow first before we start going a bit crazy with it. Because I don't want to kill the engine. But yeah, it's all fun. Right, we're going to get on with this 1980s Seagull, another one we'd had in the workshop. Going to have to really pay attention to the water outlet, make sure there is actually water coming out, because if it's not right, it's going to kill the engine. But other than that, well, I'm quite excited about this one. I've never used a Seagull, and everyone's telling me how brilliant they are. So, well, let's get on and see if that's true. Right. Close to the bank here.
Got back in again.
Yeah, we wanted that early, didn't we?
Yeah.
We're clear of the water there, so let's open that up. I keep forgetting the fuel valve.
Here we go.
Blimey.
Well, successful.
Yeah, I'm actually really impressed with that. It's like you say, it's not the fastest thing, but yeah, you know, it's like old technology, isn't it? It's like, you know, 40 odd years old, but it goes. It does it. It does what you want it to do.
It does the job.
Yeah, that's it. There's a certain something. I mean, they stink. They're hot. You know, they're loud and everything, but you know, it's still actually good fun, isn't it? You know. So yeah, right. Let's get ourselves back to shore then, and start putting a few things away. But yeah, I'd give that a success. Brilliant. We're there yet?
Yeah, you're there, mate.
Oh my god, well there we go. That was 3 engines, including the Seagull. A few little dramas and all that, but hey, we got out of the water. That's the main thing at last. We got out here. It's been absolutely brilliant. Loved every minute of it. You enjoyed it, Brian?
Yeah.
Good, we're still alive. That's the main thing. So thanks for tuning in. Thank you for all the subs and all the comments on that. And well, we're going to put this away and I'll see you on the next advert. So goodbye from me, Skipper Stan, and goodbye from Skinny Brian.
Yeah, but good boy.
All the best.
We had 4 engines, we had you rowing as well.
Yeah, that's true. See you on the next one.